One of an amazing early spring days, very good weather, really lovely. Here I'm out to pick some wild garlic chives. Garlic chives, first of all, they are super tasty, they are juicy, yummy, crispy. They are, you can find them wild, they are wild and they're super organic, super healthy, no pesticide added, no chemical fertilizers are added. So early spring, I'll get out, I find some, I pick some, and I use them in my dishes. Let me explain, first of all, what are the health benefits, how to find them, and how to use them. The health benefit of garlic chives: they are very rich in vitamin C, especially in antioxidant flavonoids. Flavonoids are that they work in your body against cancer. And the vitamin C is very good source of, it helps your immunity, it boosts your immunity. And also garlic chives are very rich in potassium, iron. Anyhow, they are superfoods, lovely, tasty, pick them up. All right, here I'm out to find some garlic chives. How to find them? The way they look like chives, but the garlic chives, they have really beautiful bell shape, reversed white flowers. That's the photo of them. I'm here in this area, is a bit colder than the other area I was looking for last year for the garlic chives last year. The flowers has not been shown up here yet, maybe another couple of weeks, but now that's the photo of the flowers, that the way that you can find those garlic chives. Come with me, let's have a look at the garlic chives. They have no flowers yet, but that's fine because you are gonna eat the leaves and stems. Here are the garlic chives. All of them, look, all of them are garlic chives. They resemble the lawns very much, but the way to distinguish them, let me show you. You can see, look at this, the stems are kind of very crispy, juicy, and they have a kind of a star shape, cross section. That's the main difference between lawn and this one, and they are much sturdy, stiffer and stronger than lawns. All right, and when you break a part of a leaf, you can smell of garlicky smell. All right, how do they taste? Lovely, crispy, juicy, garlicky chive style flavor. How to pick them up, how to cut them, let me show you. You can pick a knife, all right, and come here. Simply you cut them off. All right, that's what you have. You have a bunch of garlic chives. Look, if you want to buy this from Woolies or Kohl's, they're gonna charge you $3-4 for this small. But look how much of them you can find wild, super organic, super healthy, nothing added. Find them out, all right? That's what I will have. Let me show you, these are the stems. The stems, you can add them into soups, into stews, into your salads. And if you like yogurt, find the roots. The roots like kind of, onion style roots, and you can grate the roots and mix them up with the yogurt, add a little bit of salt, mint, or whatever you like, and they will be super tasty. Let me show you how to get some roots. Find the chives here, garlic chives, pull it out, all right? And these are the roots. Do you see this? These are the roots. You cut the roots, all right? And you clean them up like that, wash them out, and then you can grate them or dice them and add it to your yogurt. It will be kind of like a shallot style yogurt you are gonna make it, and they are so aromatic, garlicky style. But definitely you need to wash these. You cannot eat them as they are. And yeah, here is about some information about garlic chives. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. There will be more and more interesting videos I will be adding to the channel. And that's all. Love you all and enjoy your life.